Hello, welcome to Posture Projects. I'm Dr. Wil Dr K here, River Valley Chiropractic. We've been getting a few patients again coming in here with waking up with some sort of neck pain. In other words, they slept wrong is kind of like the main thing that they're complaining about. And what's happening here is they're getting tension kind of in the front of their neck, kind of going to the back of their ear, and sometimes giving pain in this particular area. So I'm going to show you a great stretch. If you can kind of see over here, on this chart here, this is the SCM muscle, which is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Basically, it attaches here at the clavicle as well as the sternum, and it inserts itself right there at the mastoid process, kind of the base of your head. And you can kind of see this big muscle right here. And what it does, what that muscle particularly does, it brings your head forward and to the side, just like this. It rotates your head and forward here. If you can kind of see it on me, you can see that contract in this fashion. You can kind of see that. So a great stretch for that here. I'm going to show you a great stretch here in just a moment, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the merits of that particular stretch. So a great stretch for that is basically doing the opposite of what that particular muscle group does. So what you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head slightly back, and you're going to tilt your head the opposite way of where it goes. So if the muscle you're complaining about is here, you're going to tilt your head to the left if it's on the right. So I'm tilting my head to the left and slightly looking up, and then I'm going to take my right hand, thumb out, and bringing it out just like this. Woo. And the reason for this, the reason I'm bringing the hand out, again, you want to open up this particular area here. And having your hand out, externally rotated with your thumb out like you're hitchhiking is the best way to really get that. And so you're in the stretch here. You can even add a little bit of overpressure on your forehead, slightly backwards, and you can get that nice stretch right in through there. And again, you're going to hold each stretch for about 30 seconds to a minute, and that'll help alleviate a lot of that tension in there. So again, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment in the section below, and or any questions, feel free to write down your question, and we'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.